Hi guys, let me show you how to create and manage app folders on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. To make a folder, we just need to open the list of applications first. And for this, simply swipe up. And now, just press and hold any of the apps and then drag it onto another app to create a folder. And you'll be able to change its color as well. Just swipe up or down to choose the color. Let's choose this blue, for example. Then let's swipe right to go to the previous setting. And here, by clicking plus, we will be able to add some apps to this folder. For example, let's choose music. And it appears right in the folder. You can also create its name. Just tap on the top of the screen and type in something and then confirm. And when you're done, just use the back button to save the changes. And here is your folder. So that's it. Hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.